This is bridge full wave rectifier experiment. This is bridge full wave because 4 diodes are connected here. The filter which is used here, that is pi filter, capacitor C1, inductor and then capacitor C2. In previous 2 experiments, only capacitor was used here as a filter, but here we are using pi filter which filters the pulsating DC signal 3 times. First with this capacitor, second with the inductor, and third again with the second capacitor. How to perform this experiment? To find out what is the resistance value, connect the ohm meter across these 2 terminals. Make sure your input voltage should be 0. That is, this should not be connected to the mains connection. Once after measuring resistance, now we can connect this to the mains 230 volt 50 Hz signal. As we know, we are not using center tap in case of bridge. So this is the upper terminal of the transformer and this is the lower terminal of the transformer. The center tap which is used here, it is not connected anywhere in the circuitry. Using voltmeter, we can measure the DC voltage across this. When these 2 terminals are not connected, the voltage which we are getting here, that is without filter. That is pulsating DC signal. For second observation table, we can connect these 2 terminals and we can take the same DC voltage here, that will be with filter circuit. So once without this connection, that is without filter, and second with this connection, that is with filter. If we want to check what is the secondary rating of the transformer, we can keep our multimeter on AC measurement and then connect the voltmeter across this, which will read RMS secondary voltage between upper terminal and lower terminal. Suppose it reads 18 volt RMS, the rating of the transformer will be 909. Because 18 volt we are getting between upper and lower. Make sure your voltmeter should be adjusted on AC voltage measurement. After completing the multimeter readings, we can connect these 2 terminals directly to the CRO, which will display the peak value. That peak we can convert into VDC with the help of the formula VDC is equal to 2 Vm upon pi. As well as that V peak we can convert it into RMS by just dividing by or multiplying by 0.707 to the V peak. If we substitute all the values in the ripple factor equation, we can get the ripple factor of this circuitry. That will be 0.482. Thus, we can finish the bridge full wave rectifier experiment.